In this video, we listed the 5 best 4K mini camera on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. KONPCOIU Mini Camera. The CS09 camera, marketed under the brand KONPCOIU and originating from mainland China, is a compact mini camera that supports high-definition video up to 4K resolution. It utilizes CMOS sensor technology and is compatible with microSD, TF memory cards for storage. This package includes all necessary components for operation and is designed for versatile use in various recording scenarios. Number 2. WEOU Mini Camera. The WEOU Ultra HD 4K Mini Camera is a compact digital video recorder designed for portable use, featuring infrared night vision capabilities suitable for various applications including law enforcement. Originating from mainland China, it supports microSD, TF memory cards ranging from 8GB to 256GB for extensive recording capabilities. The camera boasts a CMOS sensor and supports Ultra HD 4K high-definition video. Key features include a durable plastic shell for impact resistance, one-click recording initiation, and simultaneous recording and charging with circular recording functionality. It offers a 180-degree rotating camera with a 150-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot for local connections within 10 meters, and synchronization of system time. The product is certified with CE and serves purposes such as car driving recording, sports DV, and more. Number 3. MOSOVO Mini Camera. The MOSOVO CS09 is a compact mini sports camera designed for versatile recording needs. It boasts high-definition 4K image quality and supports synchronous recording. Essential features include a CMOS sensor, compatibility with microSD, TF memory cards ranging from 8GB to 256GB, and a durable plastic shell for impact resistance. It offers convenient one-click recording, simultaneous recording and charging with circular recording capability. The camera includes a 180-degree rotating lens with a 150-degree ultra-wide angle, ideal for various applications such as car driving recording, sports activities, and law enforcement purposes. Additional functionalities include system time synchronization, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, for close-range connections up to 10 meters, but it does not support remote control. Note that optimal viewing of recorded videos requires a high-resolution computer screen or mobile device due to its 1080p Full HD support, ensuring clear visual playback. Number 4. SNDWAY Mini Camera. The SNDWAY Mini Camera offers versatile recording capabilities with options for 4K, 2K, and 1080p video resolutions, ensuring high-definition capture of moments. It features a vibrant HD color screen for real-time playback and local file management, complemented by Wi-Fi connectivity for remote mobile playback and video download via a dedicated app. Enhanced by infrared night vision, it adapts to low-light conditions with 4 infrared lamps. The camera boasts a 180 degrees rotating lens for flexible recording angles and includes a large-capacity 1000 mAh battery for extended operation. Supporting up to 128GB TF cards, it suits various scenarios from outdoor activities to professional settings like conferences or classroom recording. Number 5. YELANGU Mini Camera. The L10 Body Action Camera by YELANGU is a compact and versatile device designed for both law enforcement professionals and private users. Featuring high-definition capabilities with options for 4K, 2K, and 1080p resolution, it ensures sharp imaging in various conditions. Equipped with infrared night vision and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens that rotates 180 degrees, it offers enhanced visibility and flexibility for capturing detailed scenes. The camera supports Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time monitoring and video downloading via a dedicated app, and its 1400 mAh battery provides up to 8 hours of continuous operation. Ideal for outdoor use, it supports microSD cards up to 128GB and features loop recording for uninterrupted usage.